Hi there, this is George Kosh, and I'm here to talk to you about a great new service that we're introducing. It's an ebook creation service that we have. What we're doing is we have the ability to create ebooks now with our team, and we use AI to do a tremendous amount of the work on the wording and everything, so you don't have to. What you get with this is everything that we show on this page. Now, how do you get to this page? Go up to AI on your top menu and you can scroll down, and it's called the AI ebook creator. That will take you to this site. And you can see that we've got it all set up. We're just explaining things to you. We'll give you an example ebook here and a Kindle link. And I'll show you how easy it is to put it on Kindle. It's very, very straightforward. And we will set everything up for you, except of course your Kindle site, and go from there. Now we do have a launch special on. It's less than the 47. But you can check it out if you click on order your book. You can get started here, and you can see that it's only $39. And we plan on leaving that price up as long as this video is available. Okay, so you've got that going. What happens is we're going to, as soon as you've ordered your ebook, we're going to set you up to fill out a form that will say to us, hey, this is what I kind of want the ebook to be about. And I'm going to go up here and I'm going to just change my own ebook status here real quick so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. Very, very interesting how we can take just a concept that you have and set you up with it. Okay, so you'll place your order and then you're going to see this. And it says share your design concept. What you want to do is just, you can give us one line. You can say, I would like to have a book about how to use safe list marketing to do my affiliate program. You can talk about your affiliate program and say, listen, I'm in state-of-the-art mailer. I'd like a book about that, how to promote that kind of a thing. It could be about anything though. It could be about gardening. It could be about, you name it. It could be about cars. You know, you like the new Mustangs or something like that. It could be about golf clubs. So it's not limited just for affiliates or anything like that and marketers. It can be whatever you want to talk about. So what will happen is as soon as it goes into our design people, you will get the InDesign, which will look like this. Just hit refresh here, and it will say we have your concept, and it'll be here. It'll take up to 48 hours. It could be faster than that. It just depends on how long it takes us to get it set up. And then the final step is when it's ready. And you will receive an email to say that your book is ready. And here's an example of what you get. So we will set you up with everything here. You get an incredible download of the PDF so that you can, it's always here in the cloud. So this is your ebook area here. You never have to worry about anything like that, losing it or anything. It's always available. You can just click and you can see very generous books too. They're not, 5 pages or anything. They're well organized. They've got a table of contents. We will pick a nice cover for you and set you up. And of course, we'll put your information, if you specify that in the concept area. I'm going to just add it anyways at the bottom of the book saying, hey, if you want more information, contact this person, whoever you are, and you can, I can put a landing page in there, anything that you want. Also, I can put videos in here too. So if you have a video that you want, just put it in and let me handle it. The team knows what to do with all this stuff. Okay, they're going to put it in your book for you. Now, the Kindle part, the download the EPUB, all you do is you download this EPUB onto your desktop. It'll come automatically. And you also can download your ebook cover. Those are the two things you need to get it on Amazon Kindle. And Amazon Kindle is easy to find. It's called Kindle Direct Publishing, and it's completely free. You don't have to do anything here. And you can see I've added this book. And all you're doing is you come up here and you create a new title, and you grab ebook, Kindle ebook, and you say create. And then the rest of this is very straightforward. I'm not going to add a new book here, but I'm going to promise you this is a very, very straightforward thing. But let's go through a few things here just so you know. Of course, the book title and subtitle, you have those. They were produced here. once you see your book. Okay, so you go into your book and you can see that you have a title at the top and a subtitle. I think I'll probably put those in there to help, right? So we've got our title here and we've got our subtitle there. Okay, so those are easy. And then of course, I don't do a series or editions unless you're going to do extra stuff, more books. George Kosh would be my name. The author, again, same name, right? You don't probably not going to add anyone else. You can summarize the book. I would use GPT to do that. Just say to, give it a few paragraphs or something, and GPT can summarize that book for you. And then the publishing rights, you own it. Now, this is important. This is your ebook. This is not public work. This is yours. Okay, we've had this set up. It's completely yours. You've got no titles or anything. You want to make sure that the reading age, I just set it to minimum, 14 years old or maximum. There's no maximum. The marketplace, I always leave that the same. You can choose your categories based on, what it's all about. These keywords, GPT, just say, listen, GPT, I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 keywords for my ebook. You can even load your whole ebook into GPT. Okay, so all you have to do is you just save it to your computer, or it's downloaded here. So you save it to your computer, load that into GPT, and say, listen, I need these things, right? I need these keywords, and I want like a description here, and it will do it all for you. That way you don't have to worry about it. Now, I'm ready to release my book. Yes, you will be. And that's when you want to say save and continue, and it will ask you for your EPUB file and your cover. So all you have to do with that is go into here and download the EPUB and download the cover. Okay, put those both on your computer, load them, and I assure you it will work fine. The only last thing that you have to do in Kindle is say the price that you want. I wish I would have just said nothing, because I want people to download my book, and I don't want to charge them, because then your name and your link to sign up to Worldprofit or your affiliate program is in the book. So that's what I would do for sure. Just say this is a free book, or set it to $1 or something, and go from there. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense to you. It's quite straightforward. And if you are having, honestly, if you're having any trouble, you can always go to this site right here, which I really like using. It's called Google AI Studio, and it's aistudio.google.com. And share your screen. I have a YouTube video on my channel, so you go to YouTube/@Worldprofit, and you'll find it. And it'll show you how to use Google AI Studio. You can share your screen, and it'll help you with all of this too, which is pretty amazing. Okay, so there we go. Now the iframe, you can take this iframe, the embed code, and you can go to your site under website management, and you can add the flipbook if you want. You can use it on any site. Say I'm just going to do this for fun, and say I'm going to do custom content you could do while people are on your site, and just put your test ebook. I've got a lot of tests on my site, and just say source, and then paste it in there, and then undo the source button and save it. So you've created a page, and then you can, put it on whatever menu you want. And if you go into the preview, you will see your book will load. It's pretty neat, and then people can flip through it. It looks really nice. So you can imagine you could just make a whole page out of this. You can make it larger. It's just beautiful, And if you're wondering, oh, can I make it bigger? Yeah, people can make a complete size. And this just looks really cool. People can read your book that way. And I know that my video is cut off. That's all. I just didn't do my full screen. So that's why the book is like that. Okay, so I assure you, it's a whole book. Okay, so you've got all these things that you can do. Finally, create an opt-in page. You can go in here and it will create a page for you. Call it Traffic Mastery, and then go from there. And I'm not going to go through this too much. I already have a website, that name. That's no problem. Traffic Mastery 1, 2, 3. You can tell I've played with this book a bit. And of course, I could just see the landing page real quick, And of course I can change the size. So you would obviously go down here where we have our sizing. Where is it? There it is, right here. So you want to set your size. Maybe I usually like, it's up to you what size you do. You can do like 360, and height would be. I'm just going to make this up because you guys can do this on your own here. And I'll just change the size, right? So that way you're in there and you hit refresh, and it's a little smaller. So you would want it maybe a little bit longer, and then you can do some stuff with backgrounds and things to give your book away, and we'll go from there. Okay, we will be having a web design service for opt-in pages. It will be a landing page service. Of course, that would be an extra charge, but we could create something extremely unique and powerful for your ebook also. But that's coming out soon. Okay, so you've got that going. But again, this is your ebook. I had the person ask me, is this my book? Can I copy it? Can I do this? And the answer is yes. You can do anything that you want. It's completely your book. Okay. If you have any questions, do fill out a tech support ticket. We're more than happy to help you. And yes, you can order more ebooks. You can order as many as you want. They will just populate down here. Okay, so you're going to get like a whole library of ebooks. And I plan on adding to the ebook creator, I will show off some books up here, just the titles, of course, and the images. Okay, so we'll have more to come on that. Okay, so thank you very much, and hope you enjoyed that.